Welcome to another session. This is lesson 2 polynomial. We are going to learn exercise 2.2. This is the first problem from exercise 2.2. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. First I take the first problem, x square minus 2x minus 8. First I write it as a p of x. Then I want to split the polynomial, right, using this cross method. So first part I write x on the LHS and here is only way is 2 4s are 8, right, not other numbers. This is the only way. 2 4s are 8. I get this product of 8, and if I multiply, so if I 2x minus 4x, I get minus 2x, and so I have to put the negative sign before 4. Every time you double check, especially this part, because this is the very important part. Once you've done this part, so rest of the problem is very easy, right? So let me do the double check. So 2 4s are 8, yes, so I get minus 8 here, okay, and 2x minus 4x, so this way, right, 2x minus 4x, I get minus 2x. So far is correct. So when you write the zeros of the polynomial, you have to write this way, x plus 2 and x minus 4. Let me write. So I got the x values, 2x value. These are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8. So next part is the relationship between the coefficient and the zeros. Sum of 0 alpha plus beta, I write, we got for all alpha we got, so alpha minus 2, beta 4. So I want to substitute here in the left side first. So alpha plus beta minus 2 plus 4, which is equals minus b by a, which is minus 2 by 1, sorry, minus of minus 2, that already there is minus sign in our formula. Okay, we get 2 plus 2 and plus 2 here. In the product of zeros alpha beta, I multiply these two, which is equal c by a. I have here minus 8 by 1, so same minus 8, the LHS also. Okay, we got the answer. We proved, we verified the zeros and the coefficients of the polynomial. So this is the second problem, 4s square minus 4s plus 1, and we are going to find the zeros of the polynomial first, then the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So see, look at this problem here. We don't need to perform the cross method to find the zeros of the polynomial. Instead, it looks like in the form of, right, a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is, I hope you all know this formula, it's a very easy one, a plus b the whole square, sorry, a minus b the whole square. Yeah, see this polynomials, the format is looks like this. So I rearrange the polynomial to find a and b. Here in the place of a square we have 4s square, right, split the number, so 2s square. So this is what a is. So here a equals 2s. For b, in the place of b we have 1 square, so b is 1. So we know a and b. So I can write this polynomial as 2s minus 1 the whole square, right? So I can write 2 times 2s minus 1. So this is also correct. So now we split the polynomials without doing the cross methods. So in the next step, what we used to do, we can perform it. 2s minus 1 equals 0. So 2s equals 1, s equals 1 by 2. The same with the other term, this. So we got 2s value 1 by 2. Two zeros, right? 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So the zeros of the polynomials 4x square minus 4s plus 1 or 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. The next step, we are going to find the relationship between the coefficient and the zeros. The relationship or sum of the zeros alpha plus beta equals minus b by a, and the product of zeros alpha beta equals c by a. So I got the same answers on both sides. So hence we verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of that polynomial. So this is the third problem. I write as a p of x first. Then I do the splitting. So like x, for x square, x into x, and for 6 I write 2 3s are 6, right? There is no other option. So 2 3s are 6. The other side minus 7, the product must be minus 7. Sorry, this is totally wrong, not 3x. Okay, let me rewrite this. Let me write the correct one. Sorry, I did a mistake. So this is the correct one. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So I write it as a p of x equals, so I'm going to write in the correct order, which is 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Yeah, I hope this is the correct order. Okay, let's start splitting. So here I x 2 3s are 6, and here the product should be 3, right? Minus 3. So 1 3s are 3. First I write 1 3s are 3, and so here I have if you multiply these two, 2 3 6x, here we have 3x. So I cannot do anything with this to get minus 7, right? So I want to change the number 1 and 3. So I want to switch the place. So I write 3 on the top, 1 on the bottom. I hope this will be correct, right? So 1 3s are 3, okay? So if I write this way, so 3 3s are 9x, and here I have 2x. So if I subtract these two, I will get minus 7x. So I put the sign for the bigger number, minus negative sign for the bigger number, and here plus. Okay, so where the sign goes here, right? 3 3s are 9x. Okay, now double check every time this part, because once you done this part, the rest of the problem is very easy. So make sure you done this perfectly. So let me check. 1 3s are 3 minus 3 as a product I got. Okay, I write the zeros this way, which gives me 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 1. To find the x value, I assume each term equals to 0, right? Like we do every time. Here I have the values of the x, which are the zeros of this polynomial. Let's do the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So first of all, alpha plus beta, I write minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. The other side minus b by a, that means minus of minus 7 by 6. Okay, let me check whether I have the same answer on both sides. Yes, I got the same answer for sum of zeros. Let's do the product of zeros, alpha beta, which is c by a. Yes, I got the same answer for product of zeros also. Hope you understand the other three problems. The rest of the three problems I will be solving in other video. Thank you.